Hey friends, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a jiggly jacket. At the very first, I have drawn the hood because it's gonna be a beautiful hoodie jacket. I'm drawing its sleeves. Two sleeves done. Now I have to make the body part. Let's draw a long line and make the other sleeve real. Here you go. Now you can tie your hoodie. And finally, I'm drawing the pocket. Oh wow! Our jacket is ready to get color. It's a dark green color. I will use it only in the inside of the jacket. Jacket's hoodie. Trying to make it more darker, and it's pretty good. I did the same for some corners. I used the same color for the corners and the edge of the sleeve. And now you can see that I'm using lighter green. Let's fill the area with lighter green. I'm showing you how difficultly I used this lighter green for the other part, because these two colors, the deep green and the lighter green, can be mixed together and it can make a messy look. Here's a little blue for this area, and now the pocket left. I will fill the pocket with yellow. Oh wow, our jiggly jacket is done!